This is a brand new 2014 BMW X3. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Features include traction control and stability control systems, dual power seats, cruise control, a CD player, BMW individual composition, front side impact airbags, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and 12 perfectly positioned speakers producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Thank you for considering Classic BMW, your BMW destination for your next new or pre-owned luxury vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at Spring Creek in the Tollway in Plano. We look forward to serving you.